Now let's understand how a purchase invoice can be uploaded into Elixir, where we have an Excel file provided by the supplier. This is one Excel file provided by the supplier which has a purchase invoice. The first step towards uploading an invoice through an Excel file is to create a purchase format. So we need to check if the purchase format exists. For this supplier Neelkant, the purchase format doesn't exist. We will create a purchase format. First, we will enter the GSTN number of the supplier. As soon as we enter the GSTN number, the name of the supplier will be auto-populated in the screen shown here. Next, we need to mention from which row the data is being present. So we can see in Excel the data is present in the second row. The first row has headings. We will need to give a name also to this format so that we remember that this is for this supplier. So we are putting Neelkant as the name. Now we need to mention the column name of each field. So SKU name is in B, packing is in C, batch number is given in N, expiry is given in O, quantity is given in E, free quantity is given in F, MRP is given in K, rate is given in I, discount is given in T. GST details are divided in three parts: SGST, CGST, and IGST. They are present in column AA, AB, and AC. Now HSN is available in the column AE. We need to provide the format of expiry, which is in DDMMYYYY. After entering all these things, we will save it. This format is saved for Neelkant for forever. Anytime when we upload any invoice from Neelkant, we can simply select this format from the drop down and upload the invoice, directly selecting the Excel file provided by the supplier. Once you select the format, you will see that GSTN and supplier name and address is also auto-populated in the below columns. Now we are selecting the Excel which has invoice details, purchase invoice details. You see that process file button has enabled now. You click it on. And now we are getting an error because this file format is XLS. Elixir support only XLSX file format. So we need to go and change the file format of this Excel file. This file format is the topmost format provided in the Excel. The first option when you click on save as type. So when you click on save as type, you will see the first option which is Excel workbook is the format we need to choose. We have changed the format of the file. Now we will again select the new file. You can see process file is disabled right now. Once we select the file, it will be enabled. It has been enabled. We click on the process file. All the details present in that Excel file has been uploaded here on this screen. Now the name of the SKUs are mentioned the way they are present in the Excel. We need to change it to the names which are present in Elixir. It's a very simple process. We are going to search the name and going to choose the right name from the search. So Excel is giving suggestions. We can choose the most appropriate suggestion based on the name and pack combination. Rest of the details are same. We don't need to provide anything. The only thing we need to add here is basically the sales discount we would like to offer to the customers. First is basically discount for the regular customer, and second we need to mention the discount for our premium customers. Similarly, in the second row also we will select the right SKU. Again, suggestions are provided by the Elixir. Rest of the details will remain same, and again we will add the maximum sales discount we would like to offer to the customers depending on whether they are a regular customers or they are premium customers. The similar process will be repeated for all the SKUs for all the rows of this invoice, and that way this invoice would be ready to be uploaded into the Elixir. To demonstrate this feature, I will not use all the SKUs bought in this invoice. Rather, I'll use only 5 SKUs and remove rest of them. The Elixir also provide a feature in which you can upload one invoice in two parts. You can you can upload half invoice once, and once you are done with that, if you need to upload the rest of the invoice, you can upload the second invoice. It will ensure the duplicacy is not there. It doesn't upload the same SKU again for that invoice and take care of the duplicacy itself. This feature is particularly important when you need to upload few SKUs quickly to ensure that sale is done only after purchase has been uploaded. So now we have 5 rows of this invoice already entered in the Elixir software. The next step would be to click on submit. We missed to mention the supplier invoice number and invoice date. So we need to go and pick the right supplier invoice number and date of the invoice. Now we can submit this form and we can see all these 5 SKUs have been uploaded. You can go back to the check inventory and check one of the SKU. Clinsolzel was bought. We can see that on 1st December from this supplier one quantity of this particular product has been bought. That's how we upload purchase invoice through an Excel provided by the supplier.